Assalamu alaikum. My dear student, how are you? I hope you all are well in this pandemic moment and you are taking care yourself to protect from the COVID-19. Welcome to online class. This is my identity, MD Rashidul Islam. I completed graduation and post-graduation in English from the Jagannath University. I am a lecturer in English. This class is published over online platform. Lessons identity, English first paper for class 11 and 12 under National Curriculum Bangladesh, Unit 4 Human Relationship, lesson on etiquette and manner. The whole class will be presented through digital content. You are requested to take notebook and pen. Please write the important advice about the topics on your notebook. It will be helpful for your examination. Warm-up activity. Please think on the picture for 1 minute. What do you see in the picture? Is it familiar to you? The picture presented in the slide is on a good manner. These types of good manner is very important to make you different from others. Being a good guest meets and greet, table manner, sharing and caring. The manner that makes you different and uncommon. Pre-knowledge identifying. What do you do when a guest come to your home? My dear student, please feedback on the question. What do you do? Of course, you will pay salam. You will greet him. Welcome. Nice to meet you, etc. Which dress you like when you attend to a party? Of course, you will wear a dress which is different, which is not common, and which is adjusted with the party activity. Suppose you have to follow it. What should we do when take a seat in dining table? Of course, you will serve the food to the other person. Don't take food at first. You have to serve other at first. What types of greetings we show before a guest? We show the greetings: welcome, assalamu alaikum, namaskar, how are you, etc. And nice to meet you also. Important etiquette. We are polite. Good morning, please, thank you, no thank you, pardon me, I am sorry, excuse me, may I come in please, nice to meet you, you are welcome, goodbye. These types of etiquette is very important to make you different from others, to show you, to express you as an intelligent person, to express you as an educated person, to express you as a learned person, to express you as a person of good manner. Such types of etiquette you have to follow in the way of life. Learning outcomes, student will be able to know the behavior given in the chart, they will be able to know about the most important etiquette: eye contact, respect, networking, manner, awareness, communication, kindness, smile. Such types of etiquette is very important when we speak with others, when we communicate with others. We have to follow such types of etiquette. These types of etiquette maybe make you different, maybe make you alternative, maybe express you as an intelligent person, maybe express you as a learned person, maybe express you as a person from a aristocratic society. Lesson on etiquette and manner. My dear student, this is a picture, table manner, father, mother, daughter and son are taking food in a dining table, and they are laughing, they are talking, they are enjoying, they are making fun. Such types of etiquette is very important. We should follow it. This is also important etiquette. These types of etiquette is very important. When you walk on the road, of course you have to catch your son. You have to catch your son. Read the text below. As a child, you must have been told to greet your elders, visitors to your home according to your culture and tradition. According to your culture and tradition. Suppose the Hindu will give namaskar, the Muslim will give salam, assalamu alaikum, and the other person welcome, nice to meet you, good morning, good afternoon, good night, etc. Such types of etiquette and manner you have to show before the elder person. Etiquette are divided into three groups: family etiquette, social etiquette, professional etiquette. Next, family etiquette. Respect is other belongings. Of course, you have to respect your father, respect your mother, respect your elder brother and sister. It's a family etiquette. Don't shout at children. It's not wise to shout at children. Treat them kindly. Of course, you have to treat the children kindly. You have to teach the children kindly. Don't treat them. Don't treat the children. It's not wise. Listen to your parents. We must have to follow our parents. It may be good or bad, but we have to follow our parents' advice. It's family etiquette. Table manner, social etiquette. Very important picture. The picture is the unique example of social etiquette. Social etiquette, for example, it is bad manner to speak with food in one's mouth. Actually, when we eat food, it's not good to speak with others. No one like a bad manner person. Remember that etiquette and manner vary from culture to culture and from society to society. We learn etiquette and manner from our parents, families, various institutions such as school, college and professional bodies. Say please, say thank you. It's etiquette. It will make you different. Basic social etiquette. Pardon me, excuse me, may I come in, sir, etc. Such types of etiquette is a social etiquette. Be on time. Of course, you have to attend a party on time. Give and receive compliments graciously. Refuse to gossip in a social party. Such types of etiquette is social etiquette. This is a picture. We have to take a good teaching from this picture. the two girls sitting in a sofa. One is sitting this style, following this style, and another is sitting following the style. Actually, which is good? Actually, this picture is very important and good. The picture make you intelligent, makes you different. The picture make you that you are a good person, you are a gentle person, but it's not. So I like the first one. You have to like first one. Here some basic rules of etiquette. Respect other personal space. Don't interrupt when someone else is talking. Be a helper. Be on time. Don't yell in the public place. Chew with your mouth closed. Stand in a queue. Professional etiquette. Dress properly. Dress properly. Dress. Proper dress. Proper dress. Proper handshake. It's a professional etiquette. Suppose we don't perform. We don't show a complete perfect handshake. It's not a professional etiquette. Of course, you have to you have to follow the picture. Shake hand when appropriate. Appropriate handshake must be. Handshake will be appropriate. It's a professional etiquette. Never take credit from other person work. Suppose I am all in all. I have power. I have ability to do everything. Such types of word is very bad. It's not a professional etiquette. Here some thoughtful observation on manners. Lawrence String, life is short, but there is always time enough for courtesy. Self-practice. Antonym of the following word: polite, rude, presence, individual, particular, common, pleasant, harsh, ignorance, illiterate. Answer the following question. What etiquette you show before a guest? We show Assalamu alaikum, good morning, nice to meet you, namaskar, etc. Write a family etiquette which is more used by you. We follow the parents. We obey our parents. We must have to follow our senior. Which etiquette is very important for a party, seminar, group discussion? Be on time. You have to present in a party on time. Don't be late. Don't be late in a party. Homework. Write a paragraph on etiquette and manner. It's your homework. Thank you, my student. See you next class. Assalamu alaikum.